News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Fertilizers Limited, ICAR Krishi Vigyan Kendra Mattikop Karnataka, Biotechnology Industry Research Assistant Council, Indira Gandhi National Open University, Indian Council of Social Science Research, UT Administration of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and National Scheduled Tribes Finance and Development Corporation. National Fertilizers Limited NFL is a mini Ratna premier profit-making central public sector undertaking engaged in manufacturing and marketing of fertilizers and other agricultural inputs with the vision of being a leading Indian company in fertilizers and beyond with commitment to all stakeholders. NFL is looking for qualified, dynamic and result-oriented F&A personnel with initiative for manning the following positions on regular basis for its various offices, units and joint ventures. 2 posts of Accounts Assistant W3 level at Bhatinda Unit, 4 posts of Accounts Assistant W3 level at Panipat Unit, 4 posts of Accounts Assistant W3 level at Marketing Division, and 3 posts of Accounts Assistant W3 level at Corporate Office, Noida. For detailed advertisement including other terms and conditions, pay and perks, process of selection, how to apply and general instructions, visit NFL website www.nationalfertilizers.com. Last date to apply online is 22nd January 2021. National Fertilizers is also looking for bright, energetic, young, dynamic and result-oriented professionals with initiative for manning the position of management trainees in the following disciplines for its offices and units. 4 vacancies for MT Chemical, 7 vacancies for MT Mechanical, 4 vacancies for MT Electrical, 5 vacancies for MT Instrumentation, 1 vacancy for MT Civil, 7 vacancies for MT Chemical Lab and 2 vacancies for MT Fire and Safety. For detailed advertisement including other terms and conditions, visit the website www.nationalfertilizers.com. Last date to apply online is 21st January 2021. ICAR Krishi Vigyan Kendra Mattikop Karnataka, funded by Indian Council of Agricultural Research, New Delhi, invites applications from eligible candidates for 1 post of Senior Scientist and Head under Plan Scheme. Candidates are informed to submit their filled-in application with certified and relevant documents to the concerned person within 1 month from the date of advertisement in Employment News. For further details regarding age limit, qualification, application format and other terms and conditions, candidates are informed to visit the website www.klesociety.org. Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council BIRAC is a not-for-profit Section 8 Schedule B public sector enterprise set up by Department of Biotechnology DBT, Government of India as an interface agency to strengthen and empower the emerging biotech enterprise to undertake strategic research and innovation addressing nationally relevant product development needs. As a Government of India enterprise, BIRAC endeavours to bring professionalism, transparency and efficiency into its functioning while providing support to catalyze the transformation of the emerging Indian bioeconomy. It has a very special and unique governance structure and a very carefully developed workforce strategy that includes an enabling work environment, a work culture that is caring, fosters excellence and hires the most talented and professional workforce. Applications are invited from qualified, experienced and ambitious professionals for the following positions. 1 post of DGM Specialized Services E6, 1 post of Administrative Officer E1, 1 post of Manager Corporate Affairs E3, 2 post of Officer Entrepreneurship Development E1, 2 post of Officer Incubation, Network Facilitation or Student Entrepreneurship E1, 1 post of manager, early stage funding E3, 1 post of officer, technical E1, 1 post of officer, finance and accounts E1, 1 post of officer, IT E1, and 2 posts of officer, investment E1. The employees are appointed on contract basis initially for a period of 4 years, and subsequently the contract can be renewed twice for a period of 5 years based on performance. For details, please visit www.birac.nic.in. Applications shall be accepted up to 6th February 2021 in the prescribed format through online mode only. Applicants serving in government, PSUs and autonomous bodies shall apply through proper channels. Online applications are invited from eligible candidates in the prescribed application pro forma for appointment as Chair Professor in the Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi as under 1 post of Chair Professor, Bahadur Shah Zafar Chair, 1 post of Chair Professor, Shahid Kartar Singh Chair, 1 post of Chair Professor, General Shah Nawaz Chair, and 1 post of Chair Professor, Sindhi Chair. For further details regarding qualifications, eligibility criteria, etc., kindly visit the university website www.ignu.ac.in. Last date for submission of online application is 31st January 2021 or 30 days from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News, whichever is later. Last date for receipt of hard copy to be filled in application submitted online is 5th February 2021 or 5 days after the closing date of submission of online application. Indian Council of Social Science Research, Ministry of Human Resource Development invites applications for filling up the following positions on deputation or short-term contract basis. 2 posts of Deputy Director Research, 1 post of Deputy Director Documentation, 3 posts of Documentation Officer, 3 posts of Section Officer Administration or Accounts, and 10 posts of Upper Division Clerk. Completed application in the prescribed format should reach the concerned person within 30 days of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. For prescribed application format and detailed eligibility criteria, etc., please visit www.icssr.org. Applications are invited to fill 2 posts of Accounts Officer on deputation basis in Pay and Accounts Organization, UT Administration of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. For detailed vacancy notice including last date of submitting application, eligibility criteria, etc., please visit www.andaman.gov.in. The next advertisement has reference to vacancy notice of National Scheduled Tribes Finance and Development Corporation published in Employment News edition 26 December 2020 to 1st January 2021 for filling up the 3 posts of multitasking staff. The website address is mentioned in said advertisement be read as www.nstftc.net in place of www.nstftc.nic.in. Last date of submission of application is extended for 15 days from the date of publication of this corrigendum in Employment News. All other contents will remain unaltered. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.